Today I'm planting another tree. This is a tropical fruit tree. This is called a Jamaican apple or rose apple, Java apple, many other names. It produces a fruit around this big that can vary in color anywhere from light green, white, red, pink, purple, and black. Not really going to know exactly what color this one comes out into until it produces. These are heat-loving trees. They love their water. They do not take cold whatsoever. So we're talking zone 9B and further south, but they are fast-growing trees. If you have the ability to grow one of these, I highly recommend it. Even from seed, they produce in 3 to 5 years. Grafted varieties, which are pretty hard to find, usually produce in 2 to 3 years. So I'm going to go ahead and get this in the ground now. I have rain coming, so I want to get it in the ground right before the rain gets here. The rain should be here in about an hour or so. I'm going to go ahead and get this in the ground. A few things you should know about this is they like well-drained soil, but they're fairly tolerant of most soils. They just don't like the roots constantly wet, but they need a lot of rain. So even though it's well-drained, they need to be watered or rained on every day during the hot time of the year. It's what they get in the tropics is seasonal thunderstorms. They do very well. Thank you very much. You have a great day.